In this video, we'll demonstrate the conditional formatting features of the grid component. I have here a grid that's based on the Northwind's order details table, and what I'd like to do is display all the quantities that are above the average quantity in green, and all those that are below the average quantity in red. So I'm going to go back to design mode and then switch over to fields, and first I need to compute the average quantity for the average value for the quantity field here. So I'll just turn on average, and then I'm going to go here to conditional formatting, and I'm going to say basically that my first condition is that the quantity, so I'll just use the builder here, so I'll choose the quantity is greater than, and now I need to insert the average quantity, and this tells me how to insert average quantity. So you type summary.quantity.average, so I'll just go there and type and I'm going to just actually copy this to the clipboard because I'm going to need it again. And what I'd like to do is set the font color. So let's go ahead here and choose the font color and choose that and set that to red. Sorry, green. We want this to be in green if it's above average. So we'll go there and choose green. And now we'll insert our next condition, which is going to be that the quantity is less than average, and here we'll go ahead and choose red. So you can see now we've defined two conditions, and there's no limit to the number of conditions that you can add. So let's go ahead here and click OK, and now go ahead and do a live preview, and there you can see basically that all of the conditions, all of the rows that are above average are green, and those that are below average are red. So now let's go and define a conditional row style. So we've defined a conditional column style, but now let's go and do a conditional row style. So let's go back to design mode and go back to properties, and basically we're going to go here and choose conditional style, and we'll add a style here, and again we'll say that the quantity is greater than that. And this time what we'll do for our row style is we'll choose a background color for the row, and if it's above average we'll choose let's go and choose a light green color, and if it's below average, so we'll go here, we'll choose as our background color, let's go and choose a custom color, and more colors, we'll choose sort of a very light pinkish color. So go there, and now let's go ahead and do our live preview. So you can see basically now that we've defined both cell conditions and row conditions. And now finally what I'll do is demonstrate conditional images in the next video.